Welcome. If you're looking to stay updated on your Pinterest group board invites, enabling push notifications is the way to go. This quick guide will show you how to turn on push notifications for group board invites in the Pinterest app, so you never miss an invite again. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture located at the top of the screen. This will take you to your personal Pinterest space where you can manage your settings. Next, look for the notifications option and tap on it. This section controls all the alerts you receive from Pinterest, including activity on your pins, messages, and more. Under the notifications menu, find the social category. Here you'll see an option labeled Group Board Invites. Tap on Group Board Invites to access the specific notification settings for this feature. To make sure you get notified right away when someone invites you to join a group board, toggle the push option to on. This enables push notifications that will appear directly on your device's home screen or notification center. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you'll be instantly alerted whenever you receive a group board invite, making it easier to collaborate and stay connected with your Pinterest community. No more checking the app repeatedly or missing out on exciting group boards. Remember, keeping your notifications tailored to what matters most helps you stay organized and efficient. So go ahead, enable those push notifications for group board invites, and enjoy a smoother Pinterest experience. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!